5 common behaviors in people with low self-esteem. In the previous video, we talked about what self-esteem is. Now we're going to get into the details of how people with low self-esteem behave. Here are 5 behaviors you might recognize in yourself or someone you know. Constant self-criticism. People with low self-esteem are often very hard on themselves. They criticize themselves for the smallest mistakes. Fear of rejection. They tend to avoid new situations because they're afraid of not being accepted or failing. Difficulty saying no. They often feel like they have to please others, which leads them to say yes even when they don't want to. Constant comparison with others. Low self-esteem leads to comparing themselves with others, feeling like they're never good enough. Lack of confidence in their decisions. People with low self-esteem doubt their decisions and seek approval from others. Do you identify with any of these behaviors? Don't worry. There are ways to work on your self-esteem. In the next video, I will share with you 5 techniques recommended by psychologists to improve your self-esteem. Leave a comment if you identify with any of these points.